Hello everyone, this is Vasilis from CodeBlender, and I just wanted to show you a new prototype that we're working on, and it's about auto-updating an ESP Arduino over the air. So what I'm going to do is I have this electric feather here that I will connect on this PC on the left. And so I'm going to connect. So I'm using the CodeBlender serial monitor to get data from the device. So you should now see data from the device, and what the device is doing is you will see it blinking, but also every 10 seconds or so it will try to auto-update from the network. So what this does is it talks to our servers and it asks our server whether there are new updates of the firmware, and if there are any, then it will download the new version of the code and it will reboot to the new version of the code. And you will see now that every 10 seconds we get this message trying to fetch new binary and there are no updates. And then on the right computer, I have a simple page that gives me a list of all my devices and their MAC address and the latest version of the firmware that's running on the device, which is version 14. And it has the latest version, which you can see as well, so it's a checkbox. I can also see a list of all of my binaries. So again, you will see that the current version of the binary is 14, and this is, I can download my binaries, I can delete older versions, etc. And this is the actual code here, so this is the editor that we're using. It's different than the CodeBlender editor. This is an editor more tailored for professionals that we're working on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in a bit so we can see the compilation error. And what I'm going to do is I can compile as a Spartan Feeling or a native feather. This is just two words that are working for the prototype. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compile for the native feather, and you can see the compilation messages here. And soon enough we will have a new version, which will be the new version of the code with version 15. And the new version of the code is also auto set to look again for updates. So this is the new version, version 15, and on the left you will see that on the last trying to fetch new binary, there were no error. So this is now it's actually fetching the binary, and you will see that the LED stopped blinking. And it's actually reset now, so we see this reset message from the feather, and it says wait, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. And then on the right, when I go to my binaries, I will see that we have version 15, which is the current one. And then on the known devices, we still know that this device has version 14. The next time it's trying to update, we will see that it's on version 15. Because we're not sure, it downloaded the binary, but we're not sure that it actually programmed it. The binary might be corrupt or something like that, so the next time it boots out. So now we gotta try to fetch new library and there are no updates. And so if we go back to the right one, yes, we now know that this device runs version 15. Yeah, and that's basically it. And you can see that this device is completely disconnected from the right computer. It could be anywhere in the world, as far as we know. Yeah, and we also auto-increase the version every time you compile. If I compile now, I will get version 16, etc., etc. So let me do that now. And we have a URL for each project, and we set up every device to automatically track that URL for each project. So every device you compile and program with that project will keep auto-updating, keep trying to auto-update as frequently as you tell it to. So you will see that we now have version 16, and this will this whole thing will repeat itself. That's it.